Stephanie. I work for the Greenwich branch of the Gloucester County Library System, and welcome to the cooking video today. We are going to make pancake bites, which is a great recipe for the whole family to eat and to actually participate in making. So what we'll need today is pancake mix and any kind of toppings or fruit, chocolate chips, sprinkles, whatever you like to put in your pancakes. And we will also need some water and a muffin tin. I'm using standard muffins or cupcakes. You can also use mini cupcake pans too if you want them to be smaller. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350. And then you're gonna spray your pan. Okay, make sure that, the pancake bites will actually come out when they're cooked. Okay. So the next thing you're going to do is make your pancake mix. This can be whatever pancake mix you like. So I would make 2 cups. So 2 cups of whatever pancake mix you have. And then however much water or eggs or oil that the recipe calls for. Okay, then you're gonna whisk it together. Of course, make sure there's no lumps. You guys know how to make pancakes. And this is a great thing if you're doing with the whole family because the kids love decorating their own pancake bite. So, give them several different toppings that they'll put in there and then everybody can participate. Okay, so once it is nice and smooth, not lumpy, you can set it aside for right now. If you prefer your pancakes to be a little bit thinner, you can add a little bit more water. If you want them thicker, add less, of course. So the toppings I have today are bananas, strawberries, blueberries, and chocolate chips. So what you'll do is I'm using like a third cup, measuring cup, and then you're gonna fill each of the spots about halfway up. Because don't forget, in the oven, they will rise, because baking is like science. Okay, so we'll just fill them in. So if you're using a mini muffin tin,